In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test automations in ActiveCampaign as part of our full 2025 guide. Let's dive right in and explore how you can enhance your email marketing strategy using this powerful feature. First, let's log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you're going to click on Automations. This is your hub for setting up all your automated marketing workflows. Next, you'll need to decide which automation you want to test. You can either select an existing one, or if you're starting from scratch, go ahead and create a new automation by clicking Create an Automation. This will take you into the Automation Builder, a space where you can visually map out your email sequences and conditions. Inside the Automation Builder, find where you want to introduce your A/B test. Click the plus icon at this spot to add a new element to your workflow. A menu will appear with different options. Scroll down through this menu and select Conditions and Workflow, followed by Split Test. This selection is crucial as it sets up the framework for your A/B test within the automation itself. Now it's time to choose your split type. This decision determines how your audience is divided for the test. You have a couple of options here. You can split by percentage, such as assigning 50% of your contacts to path A and the other 50% to path B. Alternatively, you can use custom rules to segment your audience based on tags, lists, or specific attributes. As soon as you've made your choice, don't forget to hit Save. Having set up the split test, you'll notice that you now have two or more distinct paths in your automation. This is where the magic happens. For example, you could assign path A to send one version of an email, perhaps with a specific subject line, while path B sends a different version altogether. Imagine path A emailing out with the subject line, "Welcome to our community," and path B offering, "Thanks for joining us." Beyond tweaking emails, you can test different delays, alternative follow-up sequences, or even entire automation paths to figure out which performs best. Whatever variant you try, remember to activate your automation once you're satisfied with the setup. Toggle it to active, and it's good to go. Now that your automation is live, you'll want to monitor how it performs. Navigate to Reports followed by Automations. Here, you'll uncover valuable performance metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion goals. This data is instrumental in determining which path, A or B, delivers better results for your audience. As a pro tip, consider setting the split test to automatically conclude after reaching a certain number of contacts or a set time period. Once you have enough data, choose a winning path confidently and use these insights to hone future automations. That's it for today's guide on A/B testing and ActiveCampaign. By following these steps, you can optimize your email marketing strategies and heighten engagement with your audience. Thank you for watching,